Welcome. Take a moment to find a comfortable position. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Let your body be heavy, let your mind be still. This is a time for you. A time to let go of stress and find deep relaxation. Feel the support beneath you, holding you gently. Allow yourself to soften and surrender. Each breath is a chance to begin again, to release tension and invite peace. Let's begin this journey inward, together. Bring your attention to your breath, the natural rhythm of your body. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest. As you inhale, breathe in calmness and peace. As you exhale, let go of any tension or stress. Don't try to change your breath, simply observe it. With each breath, you are becoming more present, more grounded, more at ease. Continue breathing deeply, anchoring yourself in this moment. Bring your attention now to your body, starting with your toes. Feel your toes resting gently on the ground or mat beneath you. Release any tension you might be holding there. Imagine a warm, soothing light enveloping your toes, melting away any stress. Picture this light as a gentle golden glow that brings warmth and comfort. Move your awareness slowly up your body, your feet, calves, knees, thighs, noticing any sensations whether they are tight or relaxed. Letting go of any tightness with each breath you take. Feel the muscles in your feet and calves softening, your knees becoming more flexible, your thighs releasing any tension. Continue this gentle scan up through your hips, your stomach, your chest. Feel your breath filling your lungs, expanding your chest, and then releasing. Imagine each breath as a wave of relaxation, washing over you, bringing peace and calm. Relaxing your back, your shoulders, your arms and hands. Imagine your muscles softening, your joints loosening. Notice how each part of your body is becoming more and more at ease. Feel the calmness spreading, reaching your neck, your face, your jaw. Let your eyes soften, your forehead smooth out. Embrace this moment of complete relaxation where your entire body feels light and free. As you continue to breathe deeply and steadily, imagine this warm, soothing light traveling up your spine, releasing any tension in your back. Feel your shoulders drop, your arms becoming heavy and relaxed. Let this light flow down through your arms, into your hands and fingers, releasing any tightness. Notice how your body feels more open, more spacious. Allow this feeling of ease to spread to your neck, releasing any stiffness. Feel your jaw unclench, your mouth softening. Let your eyes rest gently in their sockets, your forehead smooth and calm. Take a moment to appreciate this state of complete relaxation, where your entire body feels light, free, and at peace. Embrace this sensation, knowing you can return to it whenever you need. Section 4, Tranquil Visualization. Journey to your peaceful place. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Feel the air entering your lungs, filling you with a sense of calm and relaxation. As you exhale, let go of any tension or stress you may be holding on to. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. Imagine yourself in a place of deep peace and tranquility, a sanctuary where your mind can rest and your soul can rejuvenate. This is your personal haven, a place where you can escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Picture it vividly in your mind, every detail clear and vibrant, a place where you feel completely safe and at ease. Picture yourself surrounded by the beauty of nature where every element brings you comfort. The gentle rustling of leaves, the soft chirping of birds, and the distant sound of water flowing. All these sounds blend together to create a symphony of peace. It might be a forest with towering trees and the scent of pine in the air, the ground covered in a soft carpet of moss. The sunlight filters through the canopy, creating a dance of light and shadow. You can almost feel the cool, refreshing air on your skin. Or perhaps it's a beach, with the sound of gentle waves lapping at the shore, the sand warm beneath your feet. The horizon stretches out before you, a vast expanse of blue meeting the sky. The rhythmic sound of the waves is like a lullaby, soothing and calming. Maybe it's a mountaintop, where you can see the world below, the landscape stretching out in all directions. The air is crisp and clear and you feel a sense of freedom and expansiveness. See the vivid colors around you, the greens of the trees, the blues of the sky, and the vibrant hues of flowers in bloom. Each color is more vibrant and alive than you've ever seen. Feel the gentle breeze on your skin. Let it carry away any tension or stress you may be holding onto. The breeze is like a gentle caress, soothing and calming. It whispers to you, telling you to let go and just be in this moment. Hear the soothing sounds of nature, the chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, and the distant call of wildlife. These sounds are like a balm to your soul, easing away any worries or concerns. They remind you of the beauty and simplicity of life. Breathe in the fresh, clean air. Let it fill your lungs and invigorate your spirit. With each breath, you feel more alive, more connected to the world around you. The air is filled with the scent of flowers and trees, a reminder of the natural beauty that surrounds you. Allow yourself to sink deeper and deeper into this peaceful place. Feel your body becoming lighter, your mind clearer. It's as if all the weight of the world is being lifted off your shoulders. You are free to just be, to exist in this moment of pure tranquility. Feeling a sense of calm and serenity washing over you. Embrace this moment of tranquility and let it restore your inner peace. Know that you can return to this place whenever you need to, whenever you need a break from the chaos of life. This is your sanctuary, your peaceful place. Hold on to this feeling and carry it with you as you go about your day. Let it be a reminder that peace and tranquility are always within reach. Section 5. Affirmations, Cultivating Inner Peace. As you rest in this tranquil space, repeat these affirmations to yourself. With each breath, let the words sink deep into your being. I am safe, I am calm, I am at peace, I am filled with love and light, I am worthy of happiness, I am grateful for this moment. Continue to repeat these affirmations or any others that resonate with you, allowing them to cultivate a deep sense of inner peace. Section 6. Returning, integrating calm into your day. This is a moment to reconnect with yourself and the world around you. In our busy lives, it's easy to lose touch with the present moment. But now let's take this opportunity to ground ourselves and find that inner peace. Gently begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Notice the sensations in your muscles and the rhythm of your breath. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the way your body naturally moves with each inhale and exhale. Feel the support beneath you. The earth is holding you, providing a stable foundation. Imagine roots extending from your body into the ground, anchoring you firmly to the earth. Take a deep breath and wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the life and energy returning to your limbs. Notice the tingling sensation as you reawaken your body, bringing it back to full awareness. When you're ready, open your eyes. Let the light gently fill your vision. Observe the colors, the shapes, and the beauty of the world around you. Allow yourself to fully experience this moment, taking a moment to notice how you feel. Observe any changes in your mood or thoughts. Are you feeling more relaxed, more centered? Acknowledge these feelings without judgment. More relaxed, more centered, more at peace. Embrace this tranquility. Let it wash over you, filling every part of your being with calm and serenity. Carry this sense of peace with you throughout your day. Let it guide your actions and interactions. Imagine this calmness as a gentle light that you carry within, illuminating your path and touching everyone you meet. Remembering that you can always return to this place of calm within. It is always accessible, no matter where you are. Whenever you feel overwhelmed or stressed, take a moment to reconnect with this inner peace. Thank you for joining me on this journey. May you find peace and calm in every moment. Remember, this tranquility is always within reach. Embrace it, nurture it, and let it be a guiding force in your life.